Hello everyone! In this video I would like to present to you my newest creation. It's a busy book for children, and it teaches opposite words in a hands-on and in an interactive way. It helps them understand new concepts, and it helps them develop their vocabulary in a fun and in an engaging way. You can find this workbook on my Etsy shop, and it comes with clear instructions on how to assemble it, and I also will leave the link in the description so you can find it easily. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe, to leave a comment or leave a like. It helps me a lot, and as always, stay curious and happy learning. Bye!